Most Revit roofs look flat because we don't model the clay bricks or shingles in Revit because it sounds complicated. But in Revit, if you look at this roof, it looks very boring. Now, today, what we will do is we'll create a simple family which will enhance the appearance of roof. To enhance the appearance of this basic roof, what we will do is we will create a generic component as a roof clay tile, and then what we will do is we will going to apply it over this roof. So for that, let us create the family first. Go to file, choose new family. So for this one, what we will do is we will going to choose the curtain panel pattern based family. So let us choose this template, and as we're going to make a single clay tile, so let us assume the size of clay tile is either 300 or 400 So the grids currently we have, if we select these, it tells it's 3 meter and 3 meter. So let us reduce it to 300 So now what we will do is we will create a profile at the start phase and we will create a profile at the end phase. So to start the profiles, we'll go with model, pick lines, and we're going to model on the face. So for that one, we'll set a work plane on the vertical plane on the front side. So let us pick the vertical plane and let us go into the elevation. And so this entire length is 300 So let us create say approx 250, and then we add a curve. So so what we are trying to achieve is a sort of a like a shingle sort of geometry. Now we'll make a thickness to this. So we'll go to offset, and let's assume it's just 10 in thickness, and just close the profile. So this is going beyond a 300 grid. So let us move this. So this is now within our profile, and let's also align this one. So we have created our first profile. Now we'll create our second profile. So the way we'll model the shingles is that one shingle will going to sit over the other one. So we'll use the top plane as the bottom for the previous face. So first let us set the work plane vertical plane for the back face. And now if we will pick the lines, so this will be our bottom and bottom second line. Let us choose offset 10 and let us go above, and then we'll just close the profile. And now with the help of these two profiles, let us blend a solid form. So we now have a solid form. Okay, let us apply a material to this. We'll go to material, and let us choose a new material. Let us duplicate one of the materials. Scotch roof, new material, and let us give it a red shade. Apply. Okay. Right. So this is this sort of a red color. We'll take this into our project. So now we have a family which we can use as a shingle or clay tile. But how to apply it? So for that one, what we will do is we'll go to massing and site and we'll create an in place mass. So this in place mass is not visible. So let us go into visibility and graphic and we'll go to masses and we'll turn on mass. Now we'll go back and start with in place mass, mass 1 is fine. Now what you need to do is you need to create two masses, one over each of the slope roof. So we'll go to model, pick, and we'll draw on the work plane. So So this hopefully have picked all the four lines. So we'll say create solid form. So he has now created a solid surface. So we just need like one face. So we'll just select this cube and remove it, but it still gives us one surface which is needed. So we'll do the same replication on the other side. Now just pick these four edges and say create solid and just delete the cube and just keep one reference plane. So now we have two planes, and to these two planes we'll select these both and we'll just divide the surface. So it has just randomly divide the surface. So we'll just pick one of these at once and we'll say that we have created with distance, either maximum distance. We'll say we have created for 300 on both the sides. So the family which we have is 300 multiplies 300 grid. So we have modified one. We'll select another. We'll do the same for another one. So this is 300 and 300. And now what we'll do is like we'll pick both the masses, and on these surfaces we will apply our family. So here is our family one. So we'll pick this one and it has just applied the shingles. The rotation seems incorrect. So we'll just pick one and we'll say that rotate all the grid by 90 degrees. So the same way we'll do on the other side. Yeah. So now this is correct. Let's finish the massing. So instead of having the boring roofs in just 5 minutes work, you can create a roof which appear realistic in your 3D views, in your sections, and at any point of time if you wants to play with the colors or you wants to give a realistic appearance to it, you can modify your family and material. So if we say we wants to enhance the color shade, so we'll just enhance it, say okay, and we'll load into the project. So it has modified the color. Hope you have learned something new from this video. Thank you.